I think stepping on the Enable campus from day one, it felt like I was getting welcomed into a family. We released the newest version of NI Elvis called NI Elvis 3, and we really feel like it's going to make an impact on universities across the globe. Professors brought up this concept of just-in-time help for their students. And this video series is acting as exactly that. This is just-in-time information about NI Elvis 3 that's going to be very searchable, and it's going to be available and ready for those customers when they pull the product out of the box. I cannot believe we recorded the amount of videos that we recorded in the time that we did. It really speaks to when you're having a good time or you're having fun, it doesn't feel like you're working. When it comes to media, that passion is met and exceeded in Enable. We wanted to be able to have the best, and we wanted to be able to look at unique ways to deliver our content. And Enable is at the forefront of figuring out the best way to interact with the customer, find out what they need, and best articulate their needs in the type of content we wanted to create. We worked efficiently, and we knocked it out, and I'm proud of what we were able to create here.